What's good, guys? Welcome to the third night of our London session. Tonight is Wednesday. We had FOMC today at 12. Um, rates were not moved. Rates were not moved, so this means that everything's kind of going to be a little choppy. We're going to have some movement. Let me find a good trade for y'all. I'll break it down. Give me a sec here. Hold up. Alright. What's 11:30 right now? Let's see. If y'all drop what y'all want to trade in the chat, or I could just look through something here. Hope y'all caught the sales for gold earlier, set in the Telegram. It's amazing. Still not at the music. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna say it in silence. Alright, let's really get into it now. Really break this down for y'all. So with rates not moving, currently it looks like we're going for this liquidity up here on DXY. So this is what it looks like. Swept this buy side liquidity after sweeping it. We have this push up, engulfing, disrespecting, engulfing this fair value gap. We push up. We just push up right through it, retest it. As you can see, we have another fair value gap here. Broke through, retested. We're coming off of that now. Now on the 4 hour, you have this fair value gap up here. As you can see, we rejected off of it. This candle. This is something very important. Look at these candles. Look at how you have this push down, respecting this fair value gap. After we break, this is a 4 hour candle. A 4 hour breaks this and this fair value gap. Right now, this candle is retesting it. We should see buy momentum to go at least clear this high. Yeah, clear Asia high. Let's see. Honestly, we came back, retested this 50%. You can see we're playing off this perfectly. You have this inversion here that's getting disrespected. Here's a fair value gap. We're disrespecting that right now. Testing into it. I normally like to see a good liquidity sweep before you have this order block. And I want this to retrace a little more. If we can push down into here, then I'll take buys up. This is on DXY. Oh, this is DXY. So knowing this, so DXY is gonna buy 100%. So there's like GU, USD CAD are gonna go up as well. Let me clear this up. Okay. Just be patient here with me, guys. I want to see a sweep in this liquidity here before continuing up, but I'm not seeing. Let's see. Yeah, I want to see this push down a little more. One thing that I am noticing, this could take off right now. I want to wait for 12 o'clock open, kind of see what price does. But I mean, if we respect this and structure some respects, then we can go back up. You know, we could be retesting. Come retest down in here. Oh, here we go, guys. This should be the trade right here. Yeah, I'm liking that. Let's hop in GU sales here. Stop loss. Do 10 pips for stops. TP 1. Or we'll take TP at a 1 to 2. Sell GU right now. So we're selling at market. You got here. Let me break this down for y'all. So up here, we need to see it clear on the 5 minute. I'm looking at this candle right here. Very interesting candle. It's the last push up. Before you have this really massive move down that broke here. This push up, if you zoom in, you can also see that it cleared this right here before going down, which is buy side liquidity. This is another confirmation, or sorry, sell side liquidity. You can see now we've retested inside of there. Like, this is an area of interest, this whole block right here. Once we enter into it, you just look for confirmations to get in. So, I mean, you could have got in. You want to wait for a sweep of liquidity before entering your trade, you know? So we sweep liquidity right here, and then you can see a clear change in momentum here once we break this imbalance. And then you can hop in for sales right here. But I didn't see it up here. And then you pull it, then you rip it all the way down to here, or at least to this order block right here. But now, so you could have cut it up there. You can even check the higher time frames. You look at the minute 30. That's what I'm taking it off of. We're reacting off of that area. This whole area is an order block on the minute 30. That's an order block. And then you can see out of this order block, we push down and we break this fair value gap here. And after pushing down and breaking it, you can see we retested, and now we're just heading back down. Minute 15, this is clean how we had this rejection, or we broke rejection into it, and now we're coming out of it. Like, that's a beautiful candle. If this would have closed inside here, no trades. But you can see the rejection and then a bearish engulfing after. Beautiful. So easy one to do. Yeah. One thing to be worried about is this order block here. You can see we've retested it a few times and had a lot of bullish momentum. So when we get to there, move your stop loss to break even, take some partials, get some profit, and then hold it to take profit. But as you can see, we are starting to move. And this is because I saw, this buy over here on the DXY, the dollar. So US GBP USD is a cross pair for dollars. So the DXY is going up, then GU, EU, they'll all go down. To do the opposite of what's happening. Check out how we engulfed this fair value gap here. Once we engulfed here, we retested. Now we're, you guys see what the fuck's going on. So we'll easily break through this, especially if this 5-minute closes with that much momentum. We'll easily go ahead and take profit. Yeah, these fair value gaps are very, very powerful if you use them in the right direction. If you know the direction, you can use these very, very well. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's very nice. I'm gonna stay with you guys until this last 5-minute candle, so we can decide if we're gonna move stops to break even, or we might just go ahead and take profit. We have this gap down here. I've been waiting to get filled right here, from here to here. And then right above that, you can see how we have this liquidity here. So we already kind of wicked there, but I want to see us get into this zone right here. Yeah. Very nice. When you're closing below these higher time frame fair value gaps, on the higher time frame as well, it's just more confirmation. So a lot more confirmation. Look at that. The 30-minute fair value gap, look how we invert that so massively. I mean, that's a lot of momentum. Look how price isn't respecting this order block at all. We're just usually if it'll respect it, you'll get a wick or something out of here. This is just closing inside there. Like by now, if we were respecting this, you would have already seen it start buying up. Alright, guys, let's move. Stops to break even. And hold it. Put stops to break even. We're currently up. I mean, instant profit, man. You gotta remember, this is instant profit. We're only up 10 pips right now, but instant profit, and you guys can see the momentum. So, this candle closed like that. That's beautiful. We will probably come back up and retest around this area, right inside. I'm gonna this over. Right inside this fair value gap, right here. Probably just come give it a little tap with how much momentum we have, and then just continue down into this area where we'll get some buying out of. Here it is. That line, we're headed out now. So remember, to enter a trade like this one, you would want to see it sweep liquidity before entering. So there's no buy set up here. You want to see the sweep there. It's not setting itself up for a buy setup at all. We'll just continue down. Got this order block here. Like we just been breaking shit. Maybe we'll retest there, continue down. But price likes to come fill this. A lot of times even 50% of it again. Which it's done there. Oh man, we're coming back up. Keep stops at break even. Retesting this order block. Wow, look at that wick. order block here. Push down. I love these push downs that have no green candles. You push up, retest in there, push back down. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Retest this order block. Yeah, just like that, guys. Alright, guys, you see what's going on? Tomorrow I'll have another video and go break this down, or at least see the results of what happened. Make sure your stops are at break even. This is a risk-free trade now, and we'll just hold it to take profit. Tomorrow will be our last London session for the week, live London session. Make sure we'll probably I might drop 2 trades for y'all. We'll see how we feeling, or how the market looks, Tonight after FOMC, the market's just kind of all over the place. So you need to just get in and out. But hold this trade with me. I'm still in, waiting for that TPE. Alright, guys, check the Telegram for updates. I'll talk to y'all soon.